Hey everybody, I'm out on a beautiful ride, sunny day with my old Yamaha here, and just wanted to do a short little clip before the sun sets. So here's my old vintage Yamaha. Having a lot more fun riding since I got it. I ride more often. I'm at just a little roadside park in Ada area, and just want to show you the beauty as the sun is starting to go down. It's a beautiful place here. It's really grown up though. I remember coming here when the trees were small many years ago. And they're redoing the place. They're putting in some tar on the gravel and whatever else, I don't know, but it'll be interesting to see. It's a nice place to come and chill, have lunch, or just sit and watch the ducks and geese or turtles on the river, watch the people fish. A lot of people come down here and fish. All kinds of roots here. I'm trying not to trip and fall in the river. Look at all them roots. A lot of seaweed and algae on the river. It's not moving very fast today. Usually I come down here and I see remains. Oh, I do see. Probably won't pick it up on the film, but oh yeah, I can see it on the film anyway. There's a fish line in that tree. Usually I see a few with bobbers and sinkers hanging off them too. But anyway, just a short little video just to show you what a beautiful day it is. August 27. I want to get this in before the sun goes down. That being said, I'm going to take off too before the sun goes down. I'll stop and get gas on my way home. Talk to y'all later. Have a good evening. Bye.